This is a 1998 Ford Expedition XLT. Alright, so basically have the bracket and the bushing. These are stabilizer bar bushings. I already did the stabilizer bar links, but I got these off eBay, and you gotta measure. This is 30 millimeters, and you gotta measure your vehicle because it's different. Penetrating fluid, which I already sprayed it last night, and this is a 13 millimeter half-inch drive socket. This is a 13 millimeter socket. Four bolts you gotta take out. 1, 2. Make sure the old part looks like the new one. Oh, come on. Last bolt. And it's out. Installation is reverse of removal. Don't you hate it when they say that? There it goes. Let's go to the other side. 2 bolts in, 2 bolts to go. Make sure this slot is up.
once again, there's the tools you're gonna need. I needed a big pry bar to get that last bolt in, 13mm ratchet extension. I like the 1/2-inch drives and the 6 points lately. I use those anytime I can, and a big old can of PB blaster, penetrating fluid. Don't forget, I'm definitely gonna retighten those bolts after I go driving around, as it is a backyard job. And yeah, a little bit of a pain, but not bad.